वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली जेएस मेमोरियल लेक्चर में बोल रहे हैं मीडिया की स्वतंत्रता पर। आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
Not appeared in the media as yet. But from the valley, some people posted that this is an unfair incident which has taken place onto the social media. I was immediately informed about it by somebody who picked it up on the social media. And as the defense minister, I spoke to the chief of the army staff. He had also not heard about it. So the social media informed us prior to the army setup informing its chief. He found out and he gave an explanation which the local units must have given to him. I wasn't exactly convinced with the rationale of the explanation, and it seemed that the death of the two young men was unfair. By this time, the news had started breaking out. And one impact of such a news of this kind that takes place is that it acts as a trigger for the separatists to foment trouble, because it gives them an opportunity to campaign against the Indian state. Look, some young people have been unfairly killed. Within minutes of the incident, I put a small post and a tweet regretting the incident as the defense minister. This was probably the first time that the government of India, within minutes of the incident, regretted something that had happened. The next morning, the army commander went to the residence of the victims. The army offered them compensation. Now, instead of there being huge protests, it created another reaction. There was anger, of course, that this is the first time that the state has acted with a sense of responsibility. Ordinarily, I would have come to know after a day. It would have taken some more time for the inquiries to be held. On day 3, we would have expressed our reaction. By this time, hell would have broken loose. But the capacity of the social media to inform us even before the army could inform its chief, even before the reporters could put it out on the news channels, is a fact that stakeholders today are able to utilize this change which has taken place much to the advantage of each one of the larger public interest itself. On the rights of the media, I think this issue is today beyond any form of debate. Article 19(1)(a), which guarantees freedom of expression. In India, unlike in some other jurisdictions, free speech in terms of freedom of press is not a separate right. It's included in the larger ambit of freedom of expression. And those who drafted the Constitution created an exception, and the exception was, whereas in relation to other fundamental rights, you had a general exception of what is reasonable could be restricted on the fundamental right. The generalized restriction was not there in the context of free speech. So free speech was given a more elevated status, and you defined 6 or 7 circumstances only on account of which there could be a restriction in free speech.
मीडिया में बदलाव आया है और ये बदलाव पिछले 2 दशकों में सबसे ज्यादा देखने को मिला है। सोशल मीडिया ज्यादा मजबूत होकर उभरा है, उस पर खबर पहले मिल जाती है। मीडिया की स्वतंत्रता पर सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री अरुण जेटली बोल रहे हैं। फिलहाल हम रुक रहे हैं यहाँ पर, कुछ देर के लिए होते हैं हाजिर। आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ।